Hello and welcome back to a new video on my channel. My name is SAPSC and here is another guide on my channel. So, I actually looked up this on the internet and searched after how to code your own Steam profile, which I didn't find so many results. So I was thinking to show you myself on actually how you code your Steam page like this. It's almost like HTML coding, homepage coding. So it's really similar, and I'm gonna show you how I did this. So I created a new map on my computer here, which is open right now. And so we're gonna do this and rich document or whatever you want to write it in. It doesn't matter at all, because this is not going to be located in your computer when it's done. Okay, so first what I think is professional is the heading, and in this case it's steamper.exe. So I'm gonna do it my way. By the way, you can change it to whatever you want. So first you're gonna need to make a header, which I makes like this, because this will be is the heading. The Steam profile wants you to do this. In the real coding, it will look something like this. This is HTML coding and this is Steam coding, so you need to be have that in mind. Okay, so I want my name here, like this one does my verified accounts, which is not published by the way yet. This is a huge spoiler. This is a spoiler alert, by the way, that it will be a verified accounts later on my homepage, but it's not active right now. But anyways, I wanted to predict that name to that page to show everyone that this is the official Steamper account on Steam. So for that, I will need to make another of these, and first press URL. This is telling where it should be located, which will should go. And in my case, I wanted to go to https://sapsc.co/verify accounts. I want it to be a line under the text to show it that it is a link. And for that you need to make like that, and then you're gonna need to, example, in my case, write steamper.exe, and I prefer this little thing right there. So I want the check thing there, which I'm gonna locate there. Okay. Excuse me for pausing the video, but I need to say something really important here. And you see the U there? Don't put it too close to the link, because then it will be. Then the coding will think, then Steam will think it belongs to the code and write it in, and the link will be total crash. Then I'm gonna use the code again, but this time slash to quit the code, and then do that again. Then we need to quit all of these links that were here. So that also means that we need to make another one here with another slash and with URL, and close it. One more time with the heading, this time /h1 close. So this is actually the heading right now, which is completed in my case. But you can write whatever you want between here and whatever link you want here as well. Okay, so the easiest way to explain is this is how it's looking, and here will you have your link, and here it will the title be like it in here. To explain a little bit further, this is the heading, this is the URL link, and this is the underline link. So I wrote you can report me or ... follow me here. Then I linked my homepage, so that means we need to make URL equals and this thing again. And I'm gonna do https/ sapsc.co/steamper. But for it work for me, I need to make it with big letters for some reason. I want to fix that in the future. And I want to write here home page, and I want mine to be underscored in like the previous one. We're gonna do you there, and we're gonna need to quit the tags again like before. And in the end it will look something like this, for me at least. So it's a different much links and different codes, so it'll be easier to read. We can do this to simple out the code, so everything is here. If you want to get your Steam page look much better with better links and so on, you know how to do it here right now. And in Steam, by the way, just copy this part, all of it, copy, edit profile, and in the summary section you just delete it and delete is what you have now, and just paste it and leave it look something like this. Don't worry, the codes, if you did the codes right, it should not be any wrongs here. And in the next video of the series, how to make your Steam profile look professional, I will show you how you can make some showcase and and with other things to make it look even better than this. And in the next video, by the way, I will actually make this Steam profile a little bit better looking, so it will be pretty nice, I think, and I hope it will look really good. You can go to https://sapsc.co. I will leave a link in the description down below, where all the tags and all the codes you can actually make, and explain of them as well. But thank you for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like. If you didn't like the video, please dislike. Don't forget to share, comment, like, subscribe, and press the notification bell for locations you need and upload the new. And if you like this video, you're supporting this video, and that means also that we'll continue with this series. So yeah, have a good day or good night when I watch the video. Bye.